Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explore this website a little bit, Autodesk Tinkercad. Let's see what we can see here. Like sometimes the website has some challenges. We can look into this one. We can say enter now and let's see what it is. So this is a design challenge that we can participate, and the due date is June 16th, and already 50 people have submitted their work. So if we finish our work, we can click this button and submit the design. Let's see. If we go scroll down, we can start from this one. It has the basic, like the walls and the windows and the floor. Let's click this copy and tinker. So here we have a few walls and the main room is here. Let's see how we can move. Like here we have a node. To open the node, we can click and it explains what we have to do. So these shapes are locked. The ones that are locked, when we click the outline, let's close this. So the locked shapes have a purple outline. Let's bring another shape. So if you drag and drop another shape from this right side, see this one is not locked and the outline is blue. So to unlock, when we click it, we see that there's a purple lock here. We can unlock and then we can scale and rotate, move. Let's see if when something is locked, can we move it? No, we cannot. So let's unlock and move a few things around. So with this one, we can make some rooms probably. To rotate, we can use the right mouse button, hold it and move the mouse. It will be like this. You can see it from different sides. And you can do this with pressing the scroll button on your mouse. You can pan and then right with the right click, holding it and moving the mouse, you can see every side of your object. And if you use the arrows on the keyboard, you can go to the two sides and then up and down arrow moves it as well. There you go. What else? So let's see what we can add to this room. If we go here and search, we can go click this, search shapes, and type something here. The challenge says that we can find some furniture if we type this here, the OMSI Hangout space. Type this here, and if you scroll, you can see lots of furniture you can use. Let's drag one of them here. So again, this one is locked, like the scale is locked. Wait, it's not. It's not, never mind. So we can grab a few furniture and drag and drop it to our room and see. But it's just one. If you don't want to have that in your room, you can select and press delete on your keyboard. And to grab more shapes, find more shapes, you can click more shapes and see what else you have. Let's bring a plant. Did it work? Now I have two. I'm gonna delete one. To zoom in and zoom out, you can use the scroll on your mouse. And this is what right click does. Click and hold. Let's say you want to make this smaller. You can just, oh wait, it doesn't get smaller. The scale is locked, so that's even better. So the sizes are good. We can use them. So the goal here is to make like the design, the interior of the room, right? So we can bring some furniture. What is this one? So all of the objects, it says who has created them, I guess. Scaling locked. So let's say you want to add something else. I'm gonna show you how to make other things if you want. So usually we need to go to the basic shapes. We use basic shapes and add shapes to our scene, our work plane. Let me see if I can hide some of these. So if you click this, if you don't need anything, you can select them and hide. Let's say you don't want to delete, you just want them not to be there. And then you can click that light bulb and hide it. And if you want to bring them back, you can do this. So let's hide. I don't need this one. I can delete, but I'm gonna keep this one. So I'm gonna just hide it for now. Select and hide. To make something else, you can bring any of the objects from here. Just drag and drop them. And then to scale, you can do this. Let's make a table. So one box and another box. And we can make this one a cutter and then cut a hole. So the way it works, it's the objects, we can make them a hole by clicking this, and when we select this one with the other one, select both objects and group. We have to wait. When we group them, it will cut. So this is kind of a table, right? Or a chair. So we can make shapes like this. If you want to add parts to this, you can always go here, grab another shape and bring it here, resize, scale it. Okay, let me undo this. Control Z. See a few times. I want to also put this one, like align this one with this one. So we can select this and shift select this one and go here, align. Also, you can press L on your keyboard. And then when you will get the dots like this, you can click the center one and it will align for you perfect. and maybe this one. So the ones that are in the center, let's double check, click, shift, click this one, and then line. Let's to look at our object, to see our object better, we can always click this one. It will show us the selected area better. Also, you can click F on your keyboard. It will fit the view to the selected object. And with this one, you can move as well. Left click and hold. Also, you can click the top of the box. It will show you the top view. And then, yeah. Okay, I didn't design anything, but kind of, I showed you how to make a simple shape. So control, like click, shift click, and then group, it will cut. Let's make something else. Maybe something like this lamp. Let's see how we can make that. For the lamp, we can use this in the cylinder. To scale the cylinder, we can grab this square and push it up, like drag it up. And here we have to scale it, make it smaller. If you hold shift, it's gonna, what's happening here? Your shift has to scale it proportionally, and also you can type numbers here. Like this one is 22, you can make it 0.20. And then we can bring this one and put it on top of this cylinder. Also, to change the colors, you can select your object and go here and change it. Change the color. You can use the same color for both parts. If you want to put this one on top of the other one, you can. It's easier if you look at it from top view. See, it's right there. You can use the arrow keys and bring it closer. And then use the L or the align tool to align them. And let's go look at it. Oh my goodness. There. Do this. So let's use the align button. Align is right here. Right, align is right here. Click, shift click. And align. Let's see which one we have to click, like the center one, and it aligns, right? And because it's one object, you can always group them using this. And then when we want to move, both parts will move together. I'm gonna cut the top part of this lamp, like something to get a shape a little bit like this one. We can cut it with the cube or with any shape that we like. Use the arrow keys and bring it a little bit. What is happening? We can drag it like this. And then we will make this one a hole and then cut. Let's say this is good. We can click, like this one is selected. We want to select this one as well. So we shift click the other one and then we will group them. So these are two simple examples of making some basic shapes, like using the basic shapes to make something simple. And yeah, if we make our room, like the design of the room, we can go here and submit to challenge. And it would be available, like it would be there for people to see. And here we have some examples of what people have made. It's interesting to look at them. Let's take a look at this one. If you click on view in 3D, you can see. You can see it in 3D, right? You need to wait a little bit. You need to wait. And here we have a picture of it. But yet this one needs some time to come back, like to show us. And if you like any of the designs, the ones that are shared, they are public. We can click this button, copy and tinker, and then we will be able to give some changes. I hope you design your room and then submit to the challenge. And this is how it looks. Nice. Interesting room. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, subscribe for more videos and comment if you want me to make something on the next video. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.